Okay, welcome back guys. In this video we are going to do the leg blocking. So let's start from this base here. So let's go to front view. So I want to narrow this area a bit, so let's select this area and scale this area like this, so yeah. Then let's take a cylinder which has same amount of polygon in subdivision axis here. So let's select this edge loop here. You can see I have 10 edge loop here around this kind of 1 2 3 like this 10 edges. So I'm going to take a cylinder which has 10 subdivision axis here. So let's go and put 10 subdivision axis here. Okay, let's go to front view and I'm going to adjust here till the knee area. So again you can do the whole leg like this till here, and like the hand we did. So but I am going to do this till the knee, then I'm going to use extrude tool to do that. So let's decrease the radius here. Again hold control while you are decreasing. Okay, let's position it. Now you can see the leg isn't perfectly straight up and down, it's kind of this angle. The overall leg is kind of in this angle. So let's position that, and the next thing is let's decrease the height a little bit. So let's put the end here at the kneecap area, and this is at the base area. So let's go to the side view, and again from the side we need to rotate it like this, because again you can say base of the thigh and the knee is not at a straight line, it's kind of angle like this. The overall leg is like coming backward like this. Okay, so let's put some subdivision height there. So maybe 3 or 4 max. Let's put 3 here as a starting point. I can always increase as I'm doing it. So let's decrease like this, and let's try to match the shape there. So scale it like this. So I'm just trying to match with the reference there. So in this area we should rotate like this, because of this angle here. The leg base is kind of this angle because of the bone there. So like this. So let's select this area and scale like this a little bit, the widest part here like this. Then I'm going to breeze this with this part of the body. So let's select this vertex, go to select, convert selection, and to face. Then as you can remember, we need to combine first before I breeze them. So let's combine, go to edge mode, select both border edge, and then go to edit mesh and bridge. As you can see, I got a very clean bridge, but this is not the case all the time. Sometimes you might get something like this kind of twisted kind of breezing effect. So when it tries to breeze a edge to the different the other side edge, it might like calculate like this edge to this edge, this edge to this edge. So you might not like that. So it's kind of a twisting kind of thing. So if you get this, just go to bridge offset and try to change this value. So there isn't any particular number you can put. Just hover over your mouse here, bridge offset, and drag it. So it's gonna twist, kind of keep twisting there. Will eventually reach a position where it's almost straight. Okay, so now I have got a clean breeze and good. Then I'm going to extrude this bottom area. So select this vertex, and to select all these faces, I have already told that technique to use convert face selection. Now I'm using control right click and go to to face here. So this is the marking menu shortcut of doing the same thing. Select vertex, hold control right click, to face and to face. Okay, now I'm going to extrude there, or you can just delete it and we can just extrude this edge loop. So let's go to edit mesh and extrude. So I can also use this technique to block my model. As you can see, I did a box modeling technique there, just taking a primitive and adjusting the whole shape. And this is another way to build your model by edge extrusion technique. So both of them have their good and bad thing. So we just continue extruding and go to side view. When you extrude, you can also just look at two views like this. Let's say this view, I'm looking at this view and this view, so we can do like this as well. So let's like this, move them back, scale it. Okay, so double click, again extrude. You can extrude from here as well. This is the extrude icon, so extrude, or you can use Control E, which is the default extrude shortcut. Here you can see. Or you can again shift right click and you can extrude from here as well. So same tool, but you can access that from different places. And the quickest way is this shift right click extrude technique. So once you get used to that marking menu thing, you can use those things easily. So you can say you did the leg easily. Then I'm going to again like delete this part and mirror this part. Again, you don't have to do it now. You can do this hand and everything this side, and then you can do the final mirror. But I like to mirror in betweens to see how my leg is looking both side, and it's a personal preference. It's not a compulsory thing. Let's do this, and again let's go to this time. I just lose that marking menu or pop-up menu from here, so I just click somewhere outside, I think. So if that's happened, you can access that here from inputs. Here you can see I have all the inputs, whatever I have applied to this object, I have those things, but I have to clean these things. I don't need all these old histories. So let's decrease that value from here. 0.001 is the lowest value. Okay, and now I'm going to clear all these things because it's unnecessary to like keep all the history. So let's go to edit and delete by type and history to get rid of those history. So that's it for this lesson. In the next lesson we are going to do the hand part.